Today we shall translate the word Ilah with the language of the Holy Quran. Let us see how Allah Rabbul Izzat has translated the word Ilah in the beginning of the 20th part of Holy Quran and in the verse no 60 of Surah Namal. أَمَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَأَنزَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ حَدَائِقَ ذَاتَ بَهْجَةٍ مَا كَانَ لَكُمْ أَن تُنبِتُوا شَجَرَهَا أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ بَلْ هُمْ قَوْمٌ يَعْدِلُونَ. Who has created the heavens and the earth, and who has sent down water from the sky for you? Then with this water he has created the gardens of Asto and Basto. It was not for you that you might create a tree of these gardens. Is there any worship worthy other than Allah? But this nation is going astray. In the further video, we shall translate word Ilah with reference to verse no 61 of Surah Namal. Inshallah, وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.